moist flow from the continent, that'll spread in some more snow for the southern parts of Britain in particular, but watch out initially across parts of Kent to Essex with the snow, and quite widely across the British Isles with some ice where it may have melted through the day, icy spots, untreated roads. The area of white is the snow into Kent, a few centimetres in spots, and maybe as it works its way in we could see locally 10, maybe 20 centimetres, particularly as it works into some of those eastern-facing upslopes. It works its way in, a bit of lift, and you can see through the course of Sunday during the day. Southern areas seeing that. Further north to Scotland, it's cold, it's frosty, but at least dry for you. Into the afternoon, we're still seeing the snow and extending all the way to southwest parts of England with snow here. Easily the rest for some lying snow, and as I say, perhaps some higher spots seeing a little bit more. And notice the temperatures barely getting above freezing. But it's the biting easterly wind that will certainly blow about some of the snow. Drifting snow will become quite a problem with winds, sustained winds to sort of 20, 30 miles an hour. That'll just work its way, and if you are out and about, no surprise, please, the extra layers certainly in hand. Coming further north, it tends to sort of thin out, 1 or 2 flurries, but for most of Scotland, you've got a fine, lovely, bright-looking day. The temperatures will struggle here as well. If we get above freezing, we are doing well. And for Northern Ireland as well, just above freezing with that haze of blue, quite familiar by now, sitting there, but at least bright. Into parts of Wales, still keeping some of the snow showers, and these too could certainly accumulate, particularly over the high ground, and the next couple of days, with that biting easterly, we keep the risk for snow in many spots. That's the weather for now.